Okay, so when I get to a website, obviously we need to put in the search engines, the sitemaps. So verify for Search Console, add Google Tag Manager, and obviously GA4. So the easiest and simplest way to do that for me is if you go to plugins, and then we go to add new plugin. Under the add new plugin section, we then in here just put in SiteKit, like so, and we're looking for SiteKit by Google. This top left hand corner, install. Okay, once it's installed, activate. You'll see it come up under the dashboard here as SiteKit, and then you'll see also the warning that says congratulations, we need to now start to set it up. So what we're going to do is going to click on Start Setup here. I'm going to connect it. I don't mind if somebody wants to view the data anonymously. So next thing we're going to do is just wait for it to open. Here we are going to put in our Gmail account that we want to set everything up with. So I've got Quirky Home Accessories Marketing. So I usually do something along the same lines, something like the company name, then marketing. Here I'm going to select them all and continue. So here we can see already verified, which I already knew anyway, but we're now doing it through the plugin, so it's having to do it again. So it's just letting me know. Here we go. It's already added the Search Console, which we already know, and there's the Google Analytics all set up. And you'll see here just go to analytics as well. What we'll do is I'll show you the inside of this as well, just so you get the gist of what's happening. Let's just go here, Quirky account. Okay, so this is the GA4 account that we've just added. So you can see there's no data in there at the moment. So here you can see configure. So what we're going to do is just click on configure, and that's now going to set all that up for us. So it's now all verified. And so it won't actually come into the system quite yet. So next thing we need to do, just go into the admin section, go down to Search Console in the second column, link, and then we're going to choose our home accessories. You can have that one. I don't know why we can't add that one as well. That's quite annoying. So this one here is the Pro Sitemap. So I'm not sure it is running at the moment, so that could be a reason why. I can always come back and do it later anyway. Select streaming, and we have it on the domain. Link, submit, yeah. And so hopefully this will now link everything up. It's going to take a bit of time to show. Let's just have a quick look here. So yeah, it sets it all up. Okay. Next thing we need to do, go back to the website itself. Go to settings, and in there you'll see that we've got Search Console, Analytics, and Page Speed Insights are all connected on the right hand side. You can see the green light. What we need to do is go to More Services, set up Tag Manager, and we don't have a Tag Manager account. So this is in order to get the GA4 working. So we're going to create a new Tag Manager account for this website. So here I'm just going to grab that here because I'm going to need to put in here Quirky Home Accessories and United Kingdom. Yeah, I don't mind sharing that here. It doesn't like those, so we need to get rid of those. And we're going to have it on the web. Create. Agree to the terms. Top right, yes. Okay, it's creating the account. Here it's asking us to put in the code, but we don't need to because we've got the site kit there. But you'll see changes not published. So what you're going to do is click on submit, and then in here put in J4 traffic, and to tell the system where you're getting that data from, just click on publish. You'll see it's all verified, it's all working now. You can see it's live latest status on J4. And so the next thing we need to do is if we go back and just click on settings, what you'll see is Tag Manager come up, but on the right hand side you have to complete it. So basically complete. Once we've completed it, go up here, we just confirm it here. And so that says just on Search Console, and that's only on Google, so we still need to do Bing, remember. It looks to me like Google has got rid of or transferred anyone who was on Universal Analytics. They've actually moved everyone over, and all the traffic stopped actually 31st of July. So you can see why the data's all stopped, but obviously the Search Console data is still going, which is where this data is coming from. So we can start to see that things are picking up very slowly for our affiliate websites, and so that's all we ever need to do with the Tag Manager. The only other one we can do on here, if we wanted to, as we build up the traffic, if we wanted to make a bit of money, what we could do is we could actually go to Connect More Services and add the AdSense, set up a free AdSense account, put the adverts on all of our websites. So for example, if I was doing paid advertising and I wanted to show, or I wanted to do AdSense, I would take the larger percentage. Google would give me the larger percentage of what that customer's paying for that Google ad. And they obviously take their fee as well, but it's a good way that you can, if you've got a decent amount of traffic coming to the site, it's a good way to get a nice little income coming out of it for nothing. So if they don't hit on a product, then obviously then that's obviously a good thing. Okay, and so that's that one done. You'll notice that even at the moment, if you go into the real time, you'll see that it's not picked up any data yet. So it can take up to 48 hours for it to start picking that data up. Hopefully that helps. Thanks, bye.